Hey everyone, today I wanted to share a quick video. There's some powdery mildew on my leaves, and this will actually occur due to humidity and temperature changes. But you can see these only on the red leaves, red lettuce leaves. The rest of them actually look fine, but you can see them here. If you accidentally ate them, you'll most likely be fine, but just a heads up in case this happens to you in the future. I actually gave them a call on the number where I purchased these from, and they will be sending me a refund. But just a heads up in case you've ever noticed this on some of your leaves, that is what it is. And if you accidentally ate it, you'll most likely be fine, but there are some people who are allergic. So I just wanted to give that heads up and share this quick tip with you all.